Hey, this is Hans.
This is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break. Hi.
No personal boundary.
No, none.
Rude.
Rude? Chocolate, now. Go. Bring it on. Just do it. Trust me.
Slice you.
I knew the chocolate was leading to pain. Alright, what the heck is that? That looks British.
Mackie's of Scotland.
Oh, sorry, Scotland.
Honeycomb. Milk chocolate with honeycomb pieces.
Like the cereal? Oh, maybe like Violent Crumble.
Violent crumble?
Yes, the Australian treat that hurts to eat.
Even gives you instructions how to easily open and then reseal.
Hey, that's Scottish know-how. There are letters and such.
It says Mackie's. And then there's little cows in the middle, or sheep, or something.
Dinners. Oh. Oh, jeepers.
You can have it and I'll have it. Hey. Hey.
Cheers. Like I said, Violent Crumble. Did you see how that thing came at you?
There's not as much honeycomb in it as a Violent Crumble.
No. I'll give it a 1. I'm just like, it bores me.
I'll give it a 2.
Okay.
The chocolate tastes good.
And now we have an Italian chocolate for you to see.
Whoa.
This
What are those?
This is Loca with the Rose of the Dolomites.
Oh.
Doesn't that sound delightful? It's time for the Rose of the Dolomites. Individually wrapped for you and me. Rose of the Dolomite, Dolomite, Dolomite.
It's more like a daisy than a rose.
It's a rose.
It's not a rose. That is not what roses look like.
It's an incredibly amazing, decadent rose. Oh, it sounded like if we did that to a bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Yeah, a bumblebee. It's like you sliced its thorax. There it is. It's the Rose of the Dolomites. Cheers.
It's a Ferrero Rocher.
Pretty much. When I was a kid...
Exactly.
No, it's not round and it doesn't have the crisp on the outside. When I was a kid, there was a health food store in Anacortes that had weird stuff in there. And they had these Italian, like, haystack things. They came in this really neat wrapping. And it had a kind of similar flavor. They weren't the Rose of the Dolomites. I don't know what the Dolomites are. I mean, there was a show in the 70s called Dolemite, but I don't think that's the same thing. What, you don't like?
I don't like it. Zero for me. Not a fan.
First off, any confection with such a regal name. I mean, that sounds like something you would have to like get in a video game, or it was on D&D, and you have to go, alright, so you have this quest, and it's to get the Rose of the Dolomites, to bring back to blah blah blah, so you can unlock the blah blah, you know.
No, I don't.
It's like the key item for some kind of game, the Rose of the Dolomites. Who are the Dolomites? I could ask Alexa. Or not.
Let's not. She gets a little grumpy.
She does. So do I. I don't know how to rate that. You give it a...
0. I don't like it.
I'll give it a 3. I was told that there is not only Ferrero Rocher, but there's also Raffaello. And that we need to try the Raffaello on the show because it's like...
It's the same thing.
It's better. It's white chocolate. That's what they said.
Who's they?
Them.
They.
I don't know who. I don't remember. It was a person.
Are you sure?
They're everywhere. Goddamn people.
Are you
They're
hearing
everywhere.
voices again? Do we need to change your medication?
Bye.